Nutrient pollution occurs when nutrients leave a source and enter the water system. These nutrients can come from a variety of sources such as fossil fuels, urban and industrial sources, and agricultural sources. In Illinois, agricultural sources are a major contributor to nutrient loss and pollution. Nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus that are used as fertilizer are lost through surface runoff or soil erosion. This diagram from the World Resources Institute shows how nutrient pollution can affect the water system. When these nutrients enter the water system, they intensify algal blooms, which decrease the amount of oxygen available in water. This creates a phenomenon known as hypoxia. This image from gulfhypoxia.net shows how this occurs. Water that is rich in nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus enters the water system. Algae feed on these nutrients, and then zooplankton eat this algae. Bacteria in the water feed on fecal pellets and dead algae, and then deplete the water of oxygen. This causes marine life to either flee or die. In Illinois, nutrients from agriculture flow into the Mississippi River Basin and then to the Gulf of Mexico, where they fuel Gulf hypoxia, or the dead zone. This is the area of the Gulf of Mexico where the water is highly depleted of oxygen and cannot support sea life. This is a significant problem because this loss of marine life could affect biodiversity as well as the economy. Illinois plays a large role in this problem, as there are over 27 million acres of farmland in the state, according to the Illinois Department of Agriculture. A science assessment for the Illinois Nutrient Loss Reduction Strategy said that Illinois contributed about 20% of the total nitrate load and 11% of the total phosphorus load to the Gulf of Mexico. The Illinois Nutrient Loss Reduction Strategy was formed by a group of organizations to mitigate this problem of nutrient loss. The strategy recognizes that Illinois has a large part to play and a large responsibility to solve this problem, given the amount we contribute to Gulf hypoxia and the vast amounts of agricultural land we have. According to their website, the Illinois Nutrient Loss Reduction Strategy is encouraging better management practices to help reduce the load of nutrients into the water supply. They are also encouraging collaboration between governments and private organizations to reduce the overall load. Their ultimate goal is to reduce phosphorus and nitrate loads by 45%. This is an important problem to solve because as of August 2015, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reported that the Gulf of Mexico dead zone was over 6,474 square miles, or about the size of Connecticut and Rhode Island combined. If this problem is to be mitigated, more collaborative efforts such as the Illinois Nutrient Loss Reduction Strategy need to be implemented throughout the nation. This initiative is a step in the right direction,